DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW 420D. It's the Gran Coupe Sport. It's got the front park distance control. Wheels are lovely. It's finished in gleaming metallic black. Rear park distance control. Huge boot. Really been looked after. Twin exhausts. Absolutely stunning looking car. It's an electric tailgate. Full black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Look at that, stunning. It's got satellite navigation. Heated seats, 2 stages. 6-speed gearbox. Bluetooth, full media pack, different driving styles, cruise control. Absolutely lovely in the cockpit. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.